Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is yet another video on recruitment process by 3 different companies. Before that, we know everyone is going through hard times these days. So let's do what we can do to them. If you can help them financially, just make it. If not, then keep them in your prayers and be a support and provide consideration and comfort for them. That's all that we can do. Everyone is going through hard times, and don't panic. This too shall pass away. Now keep a track on your mental health. There's nothing to lose hope. Everything will be all right one day. So now let's get started to this video. Before that, I would like to mention, or I would like to make a gentle reminder on a course that we offer. So we are providing a course for data structure and algorithms using Java, and it's a live online class handled by Nikhil sir, and 5 classes per week, Monday to Friday. You'll be having classes. It will be starting on by 3rd May. And to make your enrollment, you can contact us through the application. The link will be there in the description box given below. And after the 50 registrations, it will be increasing. The price will be increased to 500. So make your registrations at the earliest. And the number you can either contact in 808884522760, or you can just contact it through our application. So this is all about the course, that is recent course that we are affording to you. I mean, making available to you. And there are so much discounts related to COVID. There's so much discounts for the courses. You can check out the previous video for more information, and you can contact us in our application for more infos. So now let's get started to this video, to how to apply for this, every details regarding the opening. So first, let's start with MKCL. So MKCL is hiring for the project trainee for software development. The eligible criteria is qualification in bachelor's in engineering, technology, MCA, MCS, MSc, MS in computer science and related streams. So I've clearly mentioned the qualification, and it is for 2021 academic year students. That is, who is currently doing their final semesters, who is going to pass out in 2021. So we used to get the comments like, can we apply for this? We are from this batch. This they've clearly mentioned is for 2021 passing out batch. So now, after making a candidature, if you got selected, then you have to submit your mark sheet for the final semester or the final year mark sheet within 7 days of the result publishment, and the last day to submit will be the 30th September. So within that, should make it. And in case if you're not passed, then you have to the candidature will be withdrawn, or it will be cancelled by them. So they have the on your candidature. So now the technical requirements is, the applicant should have passion for full stack development, AI, MI development, UI, UX development. The applicant should have good problem solving abilities. So this is what they're looking forward for, the technical requirements. If this is not met in you, you can undergo these courses. The links are provided here. After that, you can apply for this job. And now coming to the compensation details, that is, there is, as of beginning, in the first year, you'll be getting 4 lakh per annum, and second year you'll be getting 5, third year you'll be getting 6 LPA, fourth year you'll be getting 9 LPA. So the price hike is so genuine, and it's our greatest package. So you can apply at the earliest if all the eligible criteria is met in you. Now the important dates are, last day to apply is on May 13th, and mock test will begin by May 14th to May 15th, and online test will be from May 16th, and result of online test will be on May 18th. Online interview with assignment will be on May 20th, on May 29th. Final interview and hands-on will be from May 31st to June 5. So everything regarding the selection process schedule is provided here. We can follow that. Now, the location is Pune, Navy, Mumbai, Amravati, Nagpur. Now coming to, yes, application. Before that, they have provided in the terms and condition that in case you should not make multiple entries, a single person should have only single entry. If same details is found using multiple entries, your candidature will be discarded. And while attending the online assessment or interview process, any selection process, you have to adhere to the instructions that they have already provided. In case of not, they'll be canceling your candidature. So for the more informations regarding the selection process, they have detailed here. Now to apply, you can click this apply now button where you have to log in. Here you have to provide your education qualification. Appearing for the last semester in the year, have you worked on any software coding project during the degree courses? By giving your details here, which they are asking, then you can check your eligibility criteria. And if it is met, then you can go for the registration. And if you have already created your profile in this career, then you can make it log in and once more apply for this opening. Okay, so this is all about MKCL's project trainee recruitment for 2021. Now moving on to the other, which is an intern position by Synops. So Synops is hiring for an intern, which is technical IT, to the location Hyderabad. Now the preferred qualifications is, yes, positive attitude, the ability to learn and think creatively, ability to troubleshoot basic operating system and application issues within Windows, background in programming and scripting. The scripting languages required is given here like PowerShell, VBScript, Perl, and Bash is preferred. Experience with Microsoft, SharePoint, and Office 365 is a plus. Bachelor's degree from a technological university or equivalent course training. No previous professional experience required. So they've clearly mentioned it is also an opening for bachelor's in degree students, like technological students, engineering, BTech, BE students. So it's an internship position. You'll be getting after this internship, then in case there's opening and your criteria and you have the good performance, they'll be placing you at there itself. Now to apply for this, you can go to this apply link and you can log in with these three options, or you can just make it when you have already registered to Synops. Then after that, else you can go for this. After that, you'll be getting a form where you have to fill your personal details, your graduation details, then you have to upload your resume and get submitted to it. So this is all about how to register or apply your candidature to Synops. Now moving on to the other, which is Explore. So Explore is hiring for the developer position, that is .NET Angular React developer, and the location is Hyderabad. The last date of application is on 30th of April. That is this coming, it is just 1 to 2 days ahead. So make your registrations at the earliest if you really wish to apply for this job. Now coming to the eligible criteria, it is for 2021 passing out batch, and the qualification streams is BTech, CSE, IT, MCA, that is technological students with computer science related branches. Now the percentage criteria is minimum 70% throughout academics. Throughout academics in the sense, from the high school education, higher secondary, and your graduation, you must maintain this consistency of 70% of academic score. Now coming to the primary skills, Angular, .NET, C#, Web API, SQL, or React.js, .NET, C#, Web API, and SQL. Okay, so this is an internship position to 3 to 6 months of internship. During this internship, you'll be getting a stipend of 15K, that is 15,000 rupees. And when you, according to your internship performance, they'll be hiring you to, there you'll be having 2 years of bonding, and 4 to 4.5 lakh per annum will be the package available to you when you get hired. The interview process is held in 3 rounds. First is the return test, then the technical, and the HR. The location is Hyderabad, which is clearly mentioned here. So this is all about the requirements in that. To apply, you can click this apply now button. If you have already created register to it, you can log in here, or else you can click this register and start your registration, get on to it and fill your form and start your career. So this is all about the 3 different openings, basically for computer science related students, bachelor's in technology or equivalent graduation students. So make use of this opportunity at the earliest. Now I have to I'm mentioning you once more that we are providing data structures, algorithms using Java, a course which is available to you. The link will be there in the description box. There are so much courses in our application, and we are providing it for a greatest discount until this COVID background is going to subside. So you can make use of all the opportunities. You can connect us in social media platforms. And if you have any queries regarding this video, please do let us know in the comment section. And before making any of the queries or questions from this video, please watch this video full, because we used to get the same doubts or same queries which you have already mentioned detailed in this video. So watch this video and make your queries and ask them. We'll be replying you at the earliest. And one more thing that I would like to remind you is, if you have any suggestions regarding the contents that we present before you, that means the videos, you can make it in the comment section of any of the videos that we upload. We'll be definitely looking forward for that. We want to provide the videos, or we want to provide the content that you are looking forward for. So you can connect us in social media. You can share your experience or suggestions there in comment sections, wherever you can reach up to us. So we'll be looking forward for that. So now, until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment process and so much offers, thank you and have a great day. Stay safe, everyone. Stay tuned to Online Study for You.